Bendy
and the Dark Revival. The future has arrived. I just didn't know it would get here so soon. Some of the stuff that's coming out of Gent doesn't follow any of the rules of physics that I know. Hard to believe they started as a brick-laying company once upon a time. Nowadays, we have all the modern conveniences and, worse yet, the headaches. Take that ID card machine they've got at the door. You don't bring your ID, you ain't getting to work. So I started putting my ID card on my nightstand in my room at the Downside Hotel. It's not the safest place, but at least I know where it is. Eugene Lloyd.
Looks like we found a clue.
Looks like oh yes. Oh
yeah? I'll just start my own place.
Ow. Ako Yuki siyang sak mo sok spiller jeg på dagen når naksi. Tidlig på tak når du må. Oops. Spilling at genia naktusasyo. Coaching or sakak sawa so tingo matarias Louis. Bam. Nasasad ka, bitch. Maksin lang. Nasasad ka, bitch. Asa mo kasi sa kanya nga. Oh wait. Shut down. Interaktis lang wala pero kaum dapat pakaktawan na. Kasi sa takbo. Ano ba? Ama. No nakaulit ka ko.
It's kinda creepy in here.
I come in. Hello. I come in. Hello. Hello. Nothing. Kalatayak tungan. Kosong lang otlumik. Sorry. Var 4 3 5 6 4 3 5 6 Жива semua tongtok kishin ya tok fisa kaksimang manong mukha. Patuloy ka na amo ka din na Amma, tamakat tayo sa. Oh.
Brought to you by Bendy.
Ilok perlu. In pink in bên trong. Parish.
Well, geez, you haven't gotten far.
Don't do that! Wait. How did you get in here?
Oh, I have my ways. So tell me, how goes the journey?
Slow, but I'll get through.
Ah, I see you have your father's never-quit go-getter spirit.
Oh, now you knew my father. Well, newsflash, I didn't even know my father. Or my mother. Or anyone else in my family.
I see then. You've chosen to forget the past. I can understand that.
What are you talking about?
Look, I don't think you're ready for this, but hang on to your lunch money. There's something I want to show you.
Wait. What are you doing?
All right, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see.
What? 어쩌다
Over here. Come have a seat. This won't take long.
Take a seat.
Where are we?
Very old place. Full of memories. But never mind all that. There's a little story you need to hear. You ready? Here we go. Once upon a time, Audrey, there was a bitter old man who had lost just about everything.
Joey.
Right. The real Joey Drew. He blamed everyone but himself for his mistakes, but mostly he blamed his old business partner for abandoning their work years and years ago. A man by the name of Henry Stein, great artist and a good friend. In his anger, Joey used an evil machine to create another world. A world made of paper and ink, where he'd torment his own version of Henry forevermore. But one day, a miracle happened. An angel came into Joe's life, a young woman by the name of Allison Bendy. She didn't visit often, but when she did, she saw something good in Joey no one else could, including himself. Through their friendship, he began to see the world with better eyes. So one day, in Joey's cartoon cycle of hatred, he gave Henry an angel of his own to guide him when things were most dark, to always provide hope. It was then Joey decided to make something new, something he had always wanted but he could never have, a family. But not a cartoon one, something real. And after many, many tries, he created something that made him happier than he ever could have imagined. A wonderful, loving daughter. Bright, kind, almost human. He created you, Audrey.
What? Are you crazy?
Listen, I know it's a lot to believe.
Who do you think you are? I wasn't born from some machine. Flesh and blood. I'm not some kind of ink monster.
Just because we're born of darkness doesn't mean we belong to it. We're always free to choose, to believe what we want to believe.
Take me back. Right now. I'm not listening to any more of your lies.
Remember who you are, Audrey.
Leave me alone! It's not true. It can't be.
Intimin ko na naman sa ratissima sewa. Tapos, tingin na. Tama pa sinak.
Brought to you by Janet.
지금 오셨어 친구와. 안돼. 안돼. 빠호지가 같아 빠진 게 떡볶이. nó đi cắt cắt. Nhông. Bendy bye. Nó đồng bọn này cuốn mình chứ rồi. Con đọc không? Mà imi hibida bao po para pa 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 pa. 각주샤가 마기시마. Luciano. Okay. Pantiyo yaktok suntan na kairi mga rongo. Kambasyo nước tu nước ba. Masaki Mario knock no Panty.
I don't like to ask questions. I believe everyone's got their own business. You hear something, you leave it alone. But when you spent as much time in and out of a jug as I have, you learn to keep your mouth shut about things, you know? So when I saw this here ad in the newspaper that reads, Gent Corporation looking for research subjects pays $3.50 a week, I figured it'd be good for me. Easy money, right? With my record, you can't afford to be picky. But turns out something really wrong is going on in this place. I mean, I've seen dead people before, but here, death is like a way of life, a clockwork march. They wheel out the bodies, and they disappear down the chute. Forgotten men from the street, paid to die. $3.50 a week.
Okay. 나가. Hello, Tech Party. How are you today? Dapat ako ni kucing arungi. Dapat. 밤주tre. Okay. Får nok kadrøsen langt dunger. 밤주tre. 내려가서 kadrøsen langt.
My name is Audrey. I'm not here to cause you any trouble. Look, I just want to go home. Please, can you help me? I'm sure we can reach an agreement. Let's just talk. Who are you? Where did you come from? Who made you? Can you take me to him? He wanted me to find him. Please let me see him. Wait! Stop! Come back!
다시 자마리나가 샷어. Kasionipa? Kasionipa. Naming ako na makto. 저 까나워 좀. Okay. Warak susunod ka. Ôi nặc. À đọc chứ xóa. Sao cái ra dư. Hi. Sabi na reaksyon ko silsak tamon. 시울싹파 무사하고 없고 안구지 비로 dapat siya na sakit talaga po nga 톡톡한 거 신고생활 역시 는 그렇고 악산 거 신고생활 나는 약간 럭보가시 야 오늘 용 낚시면 Nada şunu. Reference 30. Okay. Hôm nay hành nước thứ nước bam. Mà cái speed 저거사 미시쇼고였다야 까마 다가 벌써 무각주샤시 마오나 벌써 무각신나오 namako activation matu sa hai scan ni Pick up official Namo cái sạc bơm Nó rồi chị mừng Em nói xin nghìn nông mưa Vâng anh à Con ơi sắp sẽ split là rắc Sing rek kan udah pinat ikut tokannya usah toki kan no hari huru oke maktus Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba, ba. 지금 사각시 먹어 ทรงมันตัวอุ่นนะตึกก็สิแต่ทรงไม่ได้แต่นะ Poczekaj, że chcę robić. Mo kakfi siya yung maximum dadap. Bắt trời, chúng mình biết tao trong này.
That's where the ghosts live. Just beyond that door. The Keeper's prison. The pit. No one ever comes out. At least, they're never quite the same. But I could open the door for you. I do know how. I really do.
Thank you. That would...
But first, maybe play a game? Oh, I love to play games. I like hide and seek best. Find me, and I'll open the door for you. I promise. Look away while I hide, and no peeking.
Mời học thì rất buồn à. Chúng biết bằng ố. Cái sẽ được tí. Cái sẽ được. Nó có đấy. À. Some reason here. Ra và những cái trùng được tanh. Blah 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 blah.
Experiment 26. Frequent delays due to the ink demon's refusal to terminate. Keepers have administered quarter-hourly sessions of physical tortures and surgical invasions to wear down his powers. All of these efforts have been ultimately unsuccessful. A new method of control must be devised. Termination impossible.
Termination impossible. Okay. Substitutes. Explanation. We lost it. Just a moment. Không có cái xuống. Đâu mình. Đi. Sunod. What's up, dude? David suoksin ng kasak. Okay. Dakuratching. Ito ang isasaksipok.
The keepers have taken my friend. Locked him away like some animal. Just cause he's big and strong. But they don't need to fear him. No, if they just make sure to feed him on time. Big Steve won't ever hurt a fly. He loves the food from the little devil loons best. If only someone would take the long road back through the sewers. Climb up the elevator shaft and seek out his favorite thumping delicacy, then these would see how harmless he really is.
Now. Hello, how are you today? Experiment just to share. Nabigit lang mo sa show na ano.
Experiment 44. We have successfully pressed the ink demon into the form designated as Bendy. He is smaller in size and harmless in this more timid state. His powers are also greatly reduced. Using lengths of steel wire to cut into the side of his body, he now registers emotional responses. There were tears of ink documented, screams of pain. It was delightful to see such progress. The ink demon will remain in this small form indefinitely.
Okay. Message ko ba yun? Cool. Namingok. Imi sipi siya yung Dava Damakriyami Tokoyada sabi kararak, no? Ano to ko,
Oh, you did it! You found me! Oh, this is so exciting! You were brilliant!
Now, can you open that door for me?
Oh, yes, the door. I think you'll find it's open now. Oh, and also, let me give you something. Something special. Just a small reminder of our game together.
Nalawa ko na siya nanaksok. Kasi yun, pinatakap po nga. Sinangaw na. What? no, zapit yung amma. Pisat kaslat, pisi kaslat. Chili pox. Thank you. So experiment just to see what's up. Busy busy. Squeezy busy. Chili pork, come on, chili pork. Okay.
Really?
Okay. Dapat sumipong Nahari hori. Understand the hori. Naro sa magkakang oh, nariyan at singaw. Welcome back. Er was een actueel, nog zo actueel in de stad. Kan ooit zo chill, mooi. My office. The video. Me?
Excuse me. Sir? Can you help me?
You must be really lost to be asking me for help.
I'm just looking for answers. About the Keepers, Wilson, the cycle. Anything could help.
What's your name?
Audrey. What's yours?
Honestly, I've almost forgotten. My name is Henry.
Have you been a prisoner long?
When the Keepers think you're a threat to their plans, they lock you away. Forever. Still, it's given me time to think. Things like, if you haven't eaten in years, you might not be human.
Why would you be a threat to them?
I'm what they call a cycle breaker. Once upon a time, I knew how to start the cycle over. And when that happens, everything begins again. Completely new. Obviously, Wilson and the Keepers don't want that to happen.
How did you do it?
Reset the cycle? Turns out the Ink Demon himself is the key. This world is his, but even he must obey its rules. For now, at least. If you can get him to look at something very specific, it will reset everything.
What is it?
It's just a reel of film, labeled with the words, "The End." I can see it in my mind every day. They keep it upstairs in the pit.
I'll see if I can break in and steal it. Maybe, if I reset the cycle, we could make things better for everyone here.
And what about you?
I just want to go home.
So did I. Good luck, Audrey. If you need me again, you know where to find me.
Khi nào đó? À. She wants to be nope. Không có trùng mật. Ok. Noch drum noch. Hi ho. Dong 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 ding. Bayou ha chu ta di sha chu. Need to H. Experiment need to H. Maria Stusis. Peace. Pa pa da pa 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 da 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 da. Nope. Where have I been? She may come.
A savior comes at last.
Wilson?
Rest yourself, Audrey. You're still weak. The Keepers can be relentless to strangers. But there's nothing to fear as long as I'm with you. You're safe now.
You did this to me. You brought me here. Turned me into this thing. This doesn't make sense. I've never done anything to you.
Open your eyes and look around you. None of this makes sense. Drawn walls, nightmarish creatures, an ancient studio that died out almost 30 years ago. It's all fiction, utter nonsense. And yet, in here, it exists. It breathes. It flourishes. Reality, guided by its master's pen. The foundation for a new reality. We can bleed into our own. Just think of it. Anything we create in here, we can release out there. But first, this world must be controlled, made safe, These things, these angels and demons, are they really life? Or are they just stains? Old mistakes ready to be cleansed away for newer, greater things.
What do you want from me?
I need your help to save my father's life.
What?
This is our start. We'll talk more once we're safely inside. Stay close. This place isn't as safe as it once was.
ข้าชาเวลาสาวเอ้ยนะโอเคSavilaarson qinnisinaasnerpisiinartarsimassistamasiba aitillamtakus bye bye